Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV energy usage with Sense for batteries, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Sense monitor is installed and configured properly in your home. Open the Sense app on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Select the option for energy usage. Ensure that your EV charging station is compatible with the Sense monitor. If applicable, plug in your EV to the charging station. In the app, locate the Devices section. Look for your connected EV in the list of devices. If it's not there, follow the instructions to add your EV manually. Once your EV is added, access the energy usage settings for it. Monitor how much energy your EV is consuming during charging. Review the historical data to understand your usage patterns. If you have solar panels installed, check how much energy is being sourced from them while charging. Adjust your charging schedule to optimize energy consumption if desired. Explore any additional features offered by Sense that can help manage your EV charging. Keep an eye on notifications for maintenance or updates related to your EV or battery. Finally, regularly check your energy usage report for insights on how to improve efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.